Nina suspends the review pay work item and resumes work on it later in the week. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about suspension resumption, the ability for a resource to suspend and resume execution of a work item. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So here is suspension resumption. So Nina has a work item review pay and then she starts working on it and then she can suspend the execution and then resume the execution, suspend it again whenever she wants, and resume the execution until it's finally completed. In YAWL, we can implement this using a task privilege called Allow Work Item Suspension. This is part of the resourcing dialog for a task in the YAWL editor. So here we are in the situation where we have a window for Nina at the bottom, and on top we have the YAWL specification with just one task, review pay. And the review pay work item is already started for Nina, so she can start working on it and then she can fill in some data here. And let's say she's not really sure, so she saves the current state. And now she can suspend the work item. And now you can see that the status of the work item has changed to suspended. And there is the possibility to unsuspend it here. So we have to refresh this. And now we can continue working on it. So we need a valid save this. And we can suspend it again. Unsuspend it and then continue working on it and then finally complete it. Here you can see that this resource pattern has a direct implementation in YAWL. It is even possible to restrict the suspension privilege to certain participants or roles. Thank you for watching.